Welcome to Velocity Auto Gear, and today we're putting a throttle position sensor on a 2003 Ford F150. Start by removing any plastics you got on the top of your engine. Then remove the plastic. Next, you'll want to remove this section here just to make you a little room. There's a bolt down here and a nut right over here. Take them two off, move this out your way, give you access to your throttle position sensor. Move that out your way, have a little room to get to your throttle position sensor. Now, to remove the throttle position sensor, first you unplug this plug, get it out your way, and there will be two Phillips head screws. Be sure to drop your sensor, so you gotta go digging for it. Now at this point, verify you do have the correct sensor. Looks like I do. I got mine at AutoZone, so the last part. Now you just repeat the process, put everything back together like it was. Reinstalling the two factory screws for your throttle position sensor. Good and tight. Try not to strip out or round off the screw heads. Replug your sensor back up. Now reinstall this bracket that you put a moment ago. Back on. Careful not to over tighten them. You do not want to break off a bolt or strip anything out. Now reinstall the plastic on top of your ear. Putting all available bolts back in. Set to the start. Okay, now you're ready to take your vehicle for a test drive. Make sure that fixed your issue. Thanks for watching Velocity Auto Gear, and remember to support your local small businesses. Thanks for watching.